Today, we're tackling a topic that's vital for anyone serious about their career: crafting the perfect resume. But we're not just going to talk about the usual tips and tricks. We're taking it a step further by using ChatGPT, a cutting-edge AI tool by OpenAI, to make your resume stand out from the crowd. If you're looking to elevate your job search, you're in the right place. Let's get started. If you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe for more insights and career-transforming tips. Now let's get started. You might be wondering, what exactly is ChatGPT? Great question. ChatGPT is a conversational AI developed by OpenAI, and it's a game-changer in many fields. From drafting emails to generating code, this AI tool can do it all. But today, we're zeroing in on its incredible potential to revolutionize the way you create your resume. Imagine having a personal assistant that helps you articulate your skills and experiences in the most impactful way. Well, that's ChatGPT for you. Let's dive deeper. So, how do you get started with this incredible tool? It's simpler than you might think. First, navigate to OpenAI's website and sign up for an account. You'll need to provide some basic information and possibly go through a verification process. Once that's done, you'll have access to OpenAI's platform. To make the most of ChatGPT for your resume, you'll want to familiarize yourself with the chat interface. It's user-friendly and intuitive. You'll see a text box where you can type in your prompts. That's where the magic happens. Type in what you need, hit enter, and ChatGPT will generate a response almost instantaneously. Now that you're all set up, it's time to get into the heart of the matter. The prompts. These aren't just any prompts, these are carefully crafted questions designed to extract the most valuable information for your resume. The first perfect prompt is for the objective statement. Generate an objective statement for a resume, targeting a senior software engineering role at a tech startup. With this prompt, you'll receive a tailored objective statement that aligns with the specific role you're targeting. It will emphasize your experience level and suitability for a startup environment, setting the tone for the rest of your resume. For example, the output might be, highly skilled and results-driven senior software engineer with over 10 years of experience in full-stack development, team leadership, and agile methodologies. Adept at delivering scalable and efficient software solutions that drive business success. The second perfect prompt focuses on the skills section. List and describe 5 essential technical and 5 essential soft skills for a project manager in the tech industry. This prompt will generate a comprehensive list of skills, categorizing them into technical and soft skills, and providing brief descriptions for each. This gives recruiters a well-rounded view of your capabilities. An example output could be, essential technical skills, project management software proficiency, familiarity with tools like Jira, Asana, or Microsoft Project is crucial for tracking progress, managing resources, and communicating with stakeholders. The third perfect prompt is for your work experience. Create 3 bullet points describing achievements as a marketing manager that led to increased sales and brand awareness. This prompt will produce bullet points that highlight your specific achievements and their impact, using quantifiable metrics to make your case stronger. For instance, the output might include, implemented a multi-channel marketing campaign, spearheaded a comprehensive multi-channel marketing campaign that integrated digital advertising, social media, and email marketing, resulting in a 25% increase in sales and a 40% boost in website traffic within the first quarter. The fourth perfect prompt is for the education section. Format an education section for someone with a bachelor's degree in computer science and a minor in mathematics, including relevant coursework. This prompt will yield a structured education section that includes not just your degrees but also relevant coursework, making it more comprehensive. An example output could be, Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, XYZ University. Minor in Mathematics. Relevant coursework, data structures and algorithms, operating systems, software engineering, computer networks, artificial intelligence. The fifth and final perfect prompt is for the cover letter introduction. Write an introductory paragraph for a cover letter targeting a sales position that emphasizes experience in exceeding sales targets in a previous role. This prompt will produce an introductory paragraph that immediately captures the employer's attention by focusing on your past achievements in sales. It will use persuasive language to establish you as a strong candidate right from the start. For example, the output could be, as a results-driven sales professional with a proven track record of exceeding targets and driving revenue growth, I am excited to bring my expertise and commitment to company name S sales team. Now that you've been equipped with these 5 perfect prompts, you have the tools you need to create a resume that truly stands out. This is your moment to shine, so don't just sit on this valuable information. Open up the ChatGPT interface, input these prompts, and watch as your resume transforms before your eyes. Take this opportunity to elevate your job search to the next level, because the perfect job won't wait, and neither should you. In summary, crafting the perfect resume is an art form, but it's one that can be mastered with the right tools and approach. By leveraging the power of ChatGPT and utilizing the 5 perfect prompts we've discussed today, you're well on your way to creating a resume that not only looks professional, but is also laser-focused on showcasing your unique skills and experiences. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your network, and don't forget to subscribe for more content that can elevate your career. Thank you for watching, and here's to your success in landing that dream job.